Good morning, class third. Welcome back again online class of SST. Students, we have completed our 3 chapters. Now in this video, we will continue chapter number 4, gender sensitivity. Gender sensitivity. Gender sensitivity is a contemporary topic. It is the concept of being sensitive to the ways people think about जेंडर, यानी जो ये जेंडर सेंसिटिविटी होता है बच्चों, इसमें लिंग अनुपात के बारे में बताया जाता है कि हमारे समाज में लोगों के बीच में जो लिंग का क्या महत्व है. इट एंश्योर्स दैट पीपल डिपेंड्स लेस ऑन एजम्पशंस pertaining to traditional and outdated views on the role of women and men. तो समाज में हमारे रहने के बाद कुछ इस तरह की परेशानी और बाधाएं आती हैं कि जो औरत और जो स्त्री और पुरुष होते हैं उनके बीच के भेदभाव को बताया जाता है कि जनरली जेंडर सेंसिटिविटी इज़ एक्सप्रेस थ्रू पीपल्स लैंग्वेज एंड एटिक्यूट. तो जो लोगों के बोल चाल की भाषा और उनका तरीका होता है वो उनकी जो है जेंडर सेंस की मतलब पहचान को बताया जाता है कि किस तरह से वो बात करते हैं. इन दिस रिगार्ड कि हम कह सकते हैं वी कैन ऑप्ट मोर इंक्लूसिव लैंग्वेज एंड यूज वर्ड्स दैट आर द न्यूट्रल जेंडर. तो इनको सबसे हटके एक जो नई जेंडर निकल के आती है, लिंग निकल के आती है बच्चों, लिंगानुपात आता है वो न्यूट्रल जेंडर का निकल कर आता है. अब हम समझेंगे इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस. द मेन पर्पज ऑफ द कंसेप्ट ऑफ जेंडर सेंसिटिविटी इज़ टू मेक द स्टूडेंट्स understand that gender is not a barrier for any activity or occupation. Okay, gender equality benefits both women and men as it provides them wider options. It is gender sensitivity that they have made themselves indispensable in every walk of life, means they can do any type of work. If they are having any type of gender, they are able to do any work. Okay, women have proved themselves in every area and part of life. They have been able to create space for themselves and can stand as an individual without anybody's help. We all must treat men and women equally. Our constitution clearly says that the citizens, men and women, have the equal right to an adequate means of livelihood. B. There is equally pay for equal work for both men and women, means every work is equal for all person. Maybe she is a lady or maybe he is a man. Okay, the following examples clearly show that the women excelled exceptionally in different fields. Their paramount success have blasted the myth of gender discrimination. You can see Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was the third Prime Minister of India. She had been Prime Minister of India in two phases, in 1966 to 1977 and 1980 to 1984. 2 times she became President. Okay, Prime Minister. She was awarded the highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in 1971. She is the only woman Prime Minister of India to date. Clear. Now second lady name is Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla, students, was an Indian American astronaut. She was the first Indian born woman and the second person to fly in space. Her first space mission started in 19th November 1997 and in 2003 she died in the space shuttle Columbia disaster. She has been awarded the following awards. 1. The Congressional Space Medal of Honor, the NASA Space Flight Medal and the NASA Distinguished Service Medal. Now Mithali Dorai Raj, born in 1982. Mithali Dorai Raj is the captain of the Indian women cricket team. She was the second women cricketer to surpass 5,500 runs in the bodies. She has been awarded the following award: Arjun Award and Padma Shri awarded. Because students, she is the lady. Now next lady is Sania Mirza. You know Sania Mirza is the most successful women Indian tennis player. She has won 14 medals in the Asian Games, Commonwealth Games and Afro-Asian Games. Clear? Now she has been awarded the following awards: Arjun Award, Padma Shri Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Padma Bhushan Award. She also won several prestigious national and international awards. Sakshi Malik, student. Sakshi Malik represented India in the women's freestyle wrestling and won the bronze medal in the Olympic Games in 58 kilo category in 2016. She is the first Indian women wrestler to win the medal at the Olympics. She has got Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Padma Shri Awards. Now next lady is PV Sindhu. Now Pusarala Venkata Sindhu represented India in the women badminton and won the silver medal in the women's single in the Olympic Games in Rio de Janeiro in 2016. Gender sensitivity is a symbol of civilized society. Students, Article 15 of our Constitution clearly says that the state shall not discriminate against any citizen on ground of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them. Now students, your full chapter is explained. In my next video I will give you all the exercise and question answer. Okay, till then take care, have a nice